Hope you had a great Thanksgiving weekend, fellow Realtors. Jeffrey Mr. Tech Raskin here. So today, Monday, we have a fun Fair Housing CE class. This will go over 3 hours of everything you need to know and satisfy your Fair Housing CE credit. And keep in mind, if you already have the Fair Housing category that you've already taken, this will go ahead and roll over into general credits as long as you haven't taken this particular class from Mr. Tech. So with that being said, later on this week, we also have Flex MLS Part 1, Flex MLS Part 2, and then at the end of the week, we have Best of Transaction Desk showing you all of the new forms from AR, Arizona Realtors, the forms that are going away, and the forms if you don't want to be a Realtor member. I'm going to show you that as well. Remember, today is Cyber Monday, which means that you get 50% off of all of our on-demand, in-person, and Zoom classes. We also distribute computers. We've been doing that for the last 19 years, and you get $150 off of any computer. We will go ahead and bring over all of your information from your old computer. We'll come to your house and show you everything you need to know to truly be a kick-butt Realtor, but also using it, of course, in your personal life. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Look forward to seeing you at one of the classes. Thank you very much, and techie out.